Hello, listeners. Welcome to the Booster Tech Podcast, where I, Mike Moo, your host, talk about tech every day. Today, I'm going to share with you exactly how, if you are a YouTube Premium subscriber and you have been for a little while, that Google is going to give you a free Stadia Pro package, which consists of the Stadia Pro controller, which allows you to stream a bunch of games for free, and also get a Google Chromecast Ultra to work with it. It's basically a $100 value for free that Google is giving to YouTube Premium subscribers. All right, first, check if you're eligible. Please log into your Google account that has YouTube Premium subscription. So the URL, get ready, is go.mikemoo.com/Stadia free. All right, when you go there, it will let you know whether or not you can qualify for it. Now, see, I have one account on here that I was logged in. It says, sorry, looks like you're not eligible for this offer. But if I switch to an account that is qualified for it, it'll let me know that I am qualified for it. See, get Stadia Premier Edition for free. So it says you're one of the most valued YouTube Premium members, and we want to say thanks. So congrats on your new Stadia Premier Edition and $99 value that is yours for free. It includes Google Chromecast Ultra for streaming Stadia games to your TV and a Stadia controller for controlling the action wirelessly. Now you can play Stadia and you can stream all these games on your PC or your desktop also for free completely. You don't actually need this package to take advantage of some of the free streaming gaming. But this brings the experience so that you get some sort of console type quality and feeling with the combination that they give you. And the Chromecast Ultra itself was like a $70 value by itself. So the controller at about $20 to $30. I don't know what the cost is separately. I just remember they sold this as a package together. Is actually a really good deal, particularly for free. You don't even have to pay shipping. So the eligibility is that you have to have had a YouTube Premium subscription as of November 6th. So if you sign up today, I'm sorry, it's too late. You would have had to have signed up for this before. I think even, okay, so trial accounts don't get this as well. So you just have to have been paying. So if you haven't already, or you're not already a YouTube Premium subscriber, I think YouTube Premium subscription is awesome if you do YouTube, because you don't have to see all the Google AdSense ads. But the cutoff time is, I mean, you're watching this now. If you've been a subscriber since then, you can get it. Now, what happens is when you say that you are going to accept these eligibility options, they will send an email telling you that make sure that you sign up for Stadia Pro and sign up using that account that will qualify it for it. Make sure you're signing up with the same account that you have YouTube Premium about that. Once you do that, about an hour later, you will get an email with the coupon code that is embedded in a link to go ahead and redeem your Stadia Premier Edition. It was really simple, and you got to do it before the end of the year. Okay, so obviously sooner rather than later, since when you sign up for the Pro, and personally, I was not a Pro subscriber before, but I did the trial. I got 30 days to go and try this all out. You click the link, and basically it embeds the coupon code in there for you to go ahead and enter in the promo code. And strangely enough, you can actually give this code to someone else, and they can get it and subscribe to it too, which is kind of cool. So if you do that and you want to give the Stadia Premier Edition as a gift, which you got for free for being a YouTube Premier member, you can actually send that code to someone and put it in a gift card. Just make sure that they get it by December 31st, 2020, basically before the end of the year. Do it sooner rather than later because it is GMT time. And as a Stadia Pro member, at least for you, you get 25 free Stadia Pro games. Only if you continue subscription. I believe it is about, let's see, either $9.99 a month after the trial, and you can cancel anytime. So really, there's no risk to try this out. It's great to push out this function and feature that apparently not a whole lot of people are using. There's no official stats on it, but I do remember that a lot of the reviews that came out for the streaming service wasn't really great. If you are a pro gamer, obviously this is going to be a problem because there's going to be some inherent latency that will prevent you from being able to do that, that kill shot in the end. But look at the game selection. Very impressive, particularly if you don't want to own a console. Basically, you're renting space on Google servers to be able to play these games. Some of these are A-class games in here that you can go ahead and play for free, at least for 30 days. They also give you $10 credit as well, and you can use that to buy any game. If you want to stay on a free version, stay on a free version. You buy the games, you can play them for free, at least until the service is around. All right, I hope this was helpful to you. Please give it a like if you're watching on YouTube, subscribe for more, and if you're on Mooser Tech Podcast, hey, just say hello. Tweet me at Mike Moo. That's it for today's episode. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.